So hi guys, today's video is going to be a swimsuit Shein haul. You know, summer is coming up. You have to look good on the beach, and I have a swimsuit for everyone. Okay, for the girls that like something a little bit skimpy, for the girls that like something a little bit covered, and for the girls that are a little bit in between. Your girl have covered in this video. So this is the first outfit. This is a three-piece set, and I love the triangle top. It gives you a little bit more coverage on the bottom to really hold the girls up, okay? As a mom of two, I like a little bit more coverage on the bottom. When I have these triangle tops, the bottom look like this, and your girl won't turn around because I don't want to be demonetized. So this is how the first fit looks. This is perfect for a day out on the yacht. This is perfect for a brunch on the beach. A large, if you were wondering. So if this is a little bit too skimpy for you and you need something to cover up a little bit more, especially if you're self-conscious or your mom, I got you. And there you have it. You are a little bit more covered up, a little bit more comfy. So this is definitely for the self-conscious moms that want a full one piece. I love, absolutely love the gradient, the ombre on the skirt. I love the ombre on the one piece. Oh, so cute. So cute. And the boobs are sitting. I feel sucked in. I feel secured. Can run around with my kids and not have to worry about anything spilling out. Swim. Yeah, so this is the next fit. This is the mom. So this is the next three-piece set. It comes with a nice mini dress and a triangle bathing suit. I just had a brain fart. A triangle bathing suit, again with the ombre, but this is a more knitted ombre. I love the two golden rings. It's giving, okay? And I will say these bathing suit, top notch. I love the fact that the triangles cover my boob, because sometimes they be acting like they don't want to give us that fabric to cover the titties, okay? And these swimsuits fit just right, okay? The quality feels amazing. Shein definitely stepped their swimsuit game up, because I ordered a few swimsuits a few years ago and I didn't love them as much as I love these. These are eating down. I also feel like my Brandon Blackwood will go perfect with this, darling. Yes. So this is so this is the next fit, okay? This is also a three-piece set with stripes, pink and orange stripes, baby. I have no options but to slay outside, especially the beach. 2024, baby, look at this. And then this bra is giving my boobs a little bit of support and lift and I like that a lot. So if this is a little bit too matchy for you, so if the 3-piece set is a little bit too much for you and you want to switch out the monotony of the outfit, you can change it for this skirt right here. Live in. Yes, honey. This is the last and final swimsuit. It is a 4-piece set. It is a dupe to a designer brand. I can't quite, I think it's Jean Paul Gaultier. I can't quite remember what brand, but this is a dupe for a high-end luxury swimsuit. And yeah, it is 4 pieces. It comes with the head tie, the 2-piece triangle set, and the skirt. It is given. It's given everything you needed to give and more, honey. Yes. Yes. So I also got another one. I got 2 of them, and this is in a size large. So if you're the same size as me and you want to win this in a giveaway, just comment your name in the comment section. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. It's Shakira's Hair, and I'll DM the person that win, whether that be on Instagram or TikTok. Again, if you're not into the matchy and you want to like switch it up a bit, I feel like this skirt add a little razzle dazzle. What do you guys think? And if you guys didn't know, crochet is in, so you could definitely wear some underwear or some swimsuit bottoms, like a crop top. Sorry, a crop top, and go outside, especially if like a beach party or something. Yeah. So that is the final look. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.